Hello guys, welcome to this section that is applications of linear algebra, stats and differential calculus in data science. Now what is the main aim of this particular section? What is the main aim? So till now, if you remember guys, we have discussed various topics in linear algebra. We have discussed various topics in statistics, and we have discussed various topics in differential calculus. Okay. Now from all these topics that we have learned, we have also seen some of the good applications. We have also seen some applications in data science, right? But now in this upcoming series of videos in this section, we are going to focus on, understanding a theoretical intuition about how a machine learning models are basically trained. So we will be covering some important machine learning algorithms like simple linear regression. We'll be talking about multiple linear regression, which are some of the very amazing machine learning algorithms. Along with this, we will be also talking about one algorithm which is called as dimensionality reduction, which we specifically use something called as PCA. And after covering all these things, we will also be seeing something called as artificial neural network and how these deep learning models are actually trained, right? The reason why I've selected this particular algorithms, you may be thinking, Krish, why did you not include other algorithms also? Guys, as I said that this is a maths prerequisite course for data science. Now, already, our main aim is basically to understand the maths and how it is basically used in some of the machine learning algorithms so that you understand the application part. So if you talk about simple linear regression here, we will be seeing a mix of linear algebra plus differential calculus. Like we will be learning about derivatives, chain rule and all. Along with this, stats will also be used. So in all these algorithms that I probably show you, right, here you will be able to understand when these models are actually trained. When these models are specifically trained, when you probably see the theoretical intuition behind it, which I will be covering as we go ahead, right? When we are understanding theoretical intuition, you will be seeing that how beautifully these concepts of linear algebra, differential calculus and stats will be used. And that is where you will probably get a complete 100% picture clear with respect to its specific applications. Till now, whatever things we have actually discussed, around 70 to 80%, I think you have got an idea with respect to the applications. But the main aim of this particular section will be that to full-fledged show you how all these algorithms works, how these models are specifically trained. So I've selected some of the topics from machine learning. I've selected some of the topics from deep learning. So this will be the part of deep learning. And we will probably understand the theoretical intuition behind it and how this differential calculus concepts, statistical concepts, linear algebra concepts will be specifically used. That is the main aim of this particular section. So I hope you are quite excited. And this is the main aim of creating this entire section itself. So as you go ahead, you will be seeing all these algorithms. Specifically, we'll be discussing in depth with respect to all these algorithms, how these algorithms will be actually trained. So I hope you all are excited. I will see you all in the next video. Thank you.